Overseas students in the Changchun University of Chinese Medicine in northeast China's Jilin province have embraced the allure of traditional Chinese medicine through diverse courses and training programs in recent years. Passionate about the efficacy of TCM since young, Kiev Ken, a 22-year-old Cambodian, has studied TCM at the university for several years.
我从小就有来中国留学的梦想。然后中医嘛，是因为它有着悠久的历史和文化底蕴，然后我对中国的中医是非常感兴趣的。比如是针灸，就是它能给我们治疗到很好的效果，就感觉很神奇。推拿也是，所以我想继续留在中国，深入的学习中医。不过同时我也想把我所学到的知识带回自己的家乡嘛，给我家乡的人们提供更好的那个医疗服务。
Ken's aspiration to promote TCM in her mother country is echoed by her schoolmate Dariga Boken, a Kazakh student learning acupuncture in China.
我回国以后，我开我自己的诊所，因为我们国家的人也很特别想治疗针灸。
接下来呢，长春中药大学将继续依托我们的人才优势、科技优势、资源优势和产业优势，加快中医药科技的创新步伐，为中医药事业的高质量发展和可持续发展做出我们新的贡献。